In this video, I want to show you how to get Mythic Gear inside Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Mythic Gear is some of the most powerful equipment you can get in Kingshot, and unlocking it takes quite some time and also strong strategy and the right resources. So to start, focus on crafting a legendary gear first. Once you have a full legendary set, you can upgrade it to mythic using mythic upgrade materials, which are typically earned through high tier events, elite trials, or by spending premium currency like gold. Also, participating in seasonal events, ranking high in PvP tournaments, and completing difficult campaign stages can also give you pieces of mythic gear or the materials needed to craft them. Also, don't forget to join an active alliance. They often unlock event rewards and support that help speed up your progress towards mythic level gear. So build smart, fight hard, and you'll be rocking mythic gear in no time.